Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Irgi Jihan Panama with student number 226121252. Today, I will deliver material about interpreting. Interpreting is known as one of the most popular branches of translation studies. The basic difference between these two forms of language transferring is that translation refers to written activity, while interpreting refers to spoken one. But the main activity of both is meaning transferring from one language to others. The people who do translation is called as translator, while those who do interpreting is interpreter. A translator should be excellent in reading and writing skill. On the other hand, speaking and listening skill is crucial for interpreter. Several experts divide interpreting into modes. The modes of interpreting which are divided into consecutive interpreting and simultaneous interpreting. Consecutive interpreting is when interpreter starts speaking or translate source language orally after the speaker finishes speaking. The speaker is usually divides his or her utterance into some pass and give time for the interpreter to translate his or her word consecutively. In consecutive interpreting, the interpreter is usually visible, or the listener can recognize the interpreter present in the meeting. A consecutive interpreter must convey a full rendition of the source text. Consecutive interpreters sometimes use note-taking for important information, using particular symbol. In simultaneous interpreter do not speak directly to the listener, but they speak into a microphone. There are no pause or interruption while the speaker delivers the speech. In the simultaneous interpreting, the speaker and the interpreter speak almost at the same times. Consequently, the short text should be conveyed shortward unless the interpreter will run into off time while doing his job. This type of interpreting usually held for a large meeting or conference, where there are a lot of people from many countries and using a different language. The interpreter may see the speaker through of the window of booth. The booth is equipped with some tools, such as a microphone, a headphone, a mute button, and volume control. On the other hand, the listener provided with headphones that they can switch to language they want. Okay, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.